Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will tell you about the health benefits of Betaine HCL. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for updates. Betaine is a naturally occurring amino acid compound, also known as trimethylglycine or TMG. Betaine is a non-essential nutrient found in numerous food sources, including sugar beets, wheat bran, rye grain, bulgur grain, spinach, quinoa, brown rice, sweet potato, turkey breast, beef, veal and some seafood such as shrimp. It was originally discovered in beets, which is where the name betaine derived from. The health benefits of betaine are numerous. Evidence increasingly shows that betaine is a critical nutrient in protecting and enhancing the function of internal organs and improving vascular health. It may also aid with digestive function, heart health, liver function and detoxification, fat loss and muscle mass improvement. Let's take a look at some of the health benefits of Betaine HCL. Number 1. Digestive aid. In order to digest food, your stomach must have adequate acid levels. Without sufficient acid levels, the food you eat will not be entirely broken down, which means that you will be unable to absorb all the nutrients provided by your food. The acid that carries the biggest workload in the digestive process is hydrochloric acid, or HCl. Without enough HCl in your stomach, you will suffer from digestive dysfunction. If you are over 50, the chance that you are not producing enough hydrochloric acid stands at around 50%. Luckily, there is a compound of betaine that is frequently used to aid this digestive issue. Betaine hydrochloride is a compound that consists of betaine and hydrochloride and is naturally found in beets. The most popular composition of betaine supplements is Betaine HCL. When taken as a digestive supplement, Betaine HCl promotes production of additional hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which aids digestion. It assists in the absorption of B12, calcium, iron, and proteins. The symptoms of low stomach acid often mirror those of high stomach acid, so it's important to be tested in order to determine if Betaine HCl supplementation could be helpful for you. Betaine HCl supplementation should be avoided by people who have peptic ulcers. Hydrochloric acid could also be detrimental to a person with severe atrophic gastritis or inflammation along the stomach wall. Number 2. Heart health. The most extensively researched health benefit of betaine is its cardiovascular effect. The primary way in which betaine may safeguard heart health is by reducing levels of the amino acid homocysteine within the bloodstream. It does this by providing the homocysteine molecule with one of its methyl groups. This, in turn, transforms it into an innocuous substance called methionine. Betaine's effectiveness has warranted FDA approval for use as a treatment for high homocysteine levels. Number 3. Liver function support and detoxification. Betaine may also support healthy liver function and liver detoxification. Research has indicated that betaine can help break down fatty acids in the liver, and it has also been shown to aid liver function. Additionally, there is evidence to suggest that betaine may protect the liver from hepatotoxins like carbon tetrachloride and ethanol. These dangerous toxic chemicals have been found to access the body through certain prescription medications and also via herbicides and pesticides used in crops that we end up consuming. It is possible that betaine aids the liver in processing these harmful chemicals and eliminating them from the body. Number 4. Muscle mass improvement and fat loss. Betaine is also a popular newcomer to the physical fitness and exercise supplements category because it plays a critical role in fat reduction and the metabolizing of protein. You'll likely find betaine in many pre-workout and muscle building supplements on the market today. In clinical trials, it has been shown to increase muscular power, strength and endurance in conjunction with fat loss. The overall result is improved body composition. You may have heard of another popular osmolyte in the health and fitness supplement segment called creatine. Like creatine, it is possible that betaine may hasten muscle and strength gains. Through protein synthesis, betaine is able to increase the growth of muscle. The digestive and cardiovascular benefits are much more established and understood than the body composition benefits. However, much research is underway in this area. Number 5. Helps repair bodily damage from alcoholism. Betaine is used to treat alcoholic liver damage that results in the accumulation of fat in the liver. It has lipotropic effects, so it has been shown to produce significant improvements in treating fatty liver disease by helping the liver process and remove fats. Number 6. Helps relieve aches and pains. Studies have shown that betaine may positively benefit those with muscular aches and pains. In one study conducted on horses, levels of lactate acid were lower after exercise when horses received betaine supplementation. This may be beneficial for people when performing rigorous exercise or for those who suffer from painful symptoms related to muscle and joint tissue damage. Number 7. Can support skin health. What is betaine in skincare products beneficial for? It's thought to have certain anti-aging effects, such as helping prevent wrinkles. It can also keep skin moisturized by acting as a natural hydrator due to the way it keeps moisture locked into the skin. This means it helps protect skin's texture while potentially soothing irritated and dry skin. So that's it for today. What do you think of our video? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to hear more from us, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notification before you go. Thank you so much for watching us.